The General, the Navigator, Donna Tsholofelo Teko Modise, born 22 December 1982 in Soweto, Meadowlands, regarded as one of the greatest South African players of all time. Modise began his professional career at Ria Stars in 2001 before signing for Mvela League side City Pillars. He made over 60 appearances for City Pillars and he won Mvela League Player of the Season award, which earned him a move to SuperSport United in 2006, where he spent a single season before joining Orlando Pirates. Modise signed a 3-year contract with the Buccaneers, and in his debut season, he won the PSL Footballer of the Year award and was also named SAFA Footballer of the Year. The following season, he led Pirates to a runners-up finish in the league, losing out on goal difference to SuperSport United. His form during the course of the season saw him retain the PSL Footballer of the Year and SAFA Footballer of the Year awards, making history to become the first player in the PSL to win back-to-back Player of the Season's award. Following a fallout with the Orlando Pirates club management in 2011, he transferred to Mamelodi Sundowns, where he spent 6 years at Glorkop, winning 2 league titles, Nedbank Cup, Telkom Knockout, CAF Champions League, and CAF Super Cup. Having not previously represented South Africa at youth level, Donna made his debut for the national team on the 27th of May 2007 against Malawi in the 2007 COSAFA Cup, which South Africa ultimately went to win. Modise's form also earned him Player of the Tournament award. Donna then made 66 appearances for Bafana Bafana between 2007 and 2012 and represented the nation at the 2008 AFCON, 2009 FIFA Confederations Cup and the 2010 World Cup. In 2017, he chose not to renew his contract with Kabuyelo, electing to sign with Cape Town City, where he remained until his retirement in 2019. Modise went on to become a football analyst and commentator, sharing his expertise and insights with fans and viewers. His legacy as one of South Africa's most skillful and creative players continues to inspire and influence the next generation of footballers. If you loved this story, be sure to hit the follow and subscribe button for more amazing tales of SA footballers.
Afrika mzonzundu ilizwe lokhokho nomkhulu elaxuthwa ngonyanzelo ngamabhulu bafika besicikozela ngesibhalo ezingcwele salibala ngoqamati uThixo omkhulu nganga singabuyele embo aphi intombi zaziyambaze zinswayiza ngembulu iphi inhloko kayinsa kunamhlanje usamila umbuzo omkhulu Sicabanga singabuyela embo bantwana bomgquba hleze kungagida kukhanye konwabe nezinyanya. Izani ndinithele thuphe kambe singabantwana bembobo zona usukele emlilweni emanzini nasemoyeni nakanti. Atshona phi namaqhawe esizwe nako kuphela amanini elizwe. Ezandleni zabo bekumele babasivikela kumaqhalanga nto nje bahlwengula besixhaxha kwento ezingento yo sisimanga. Atshona phi namagorhe esizwe nditsho angayo ephathi imikhondo namakhakha. Alwada guqa ngedolo kuqhawuku nobathana. Ngeba le ntetha ndiyayibhensisa nto nje lo mbongo uyandichukumisa ngoko lixa loba ndehle nomcimbi. Kodwa ngoqinisekileyo nawe uzoshiye kumcimbi. Thumani nani
The general.
From these situations, Mutisa could be deadly at the Orlando Stadium. Here comes Mutisa! celebration! It's Tulufelo Tekomodise! 2-2!
Class, clinical. It's a beauty of a set piece. Meiwa is redeemed. He can't believe it.
Scenes of celebration at the Orlando Stadium aside, this man could be deadly when it comes to those set pieces. What a